Okay, rating this bread. What kind of this? Rating this burger. I think number one for me. Mushroom. I love mushroom. Number four, olives. I love olives. Pancakes. Prawns, yeah. Tofu, wow. This is my number one. But you can put it in there. This, I hate sweets, but okay. I will put it. This raw lobster. Sushi. I don't like sushi. Salmon. I love salmon. I love fish. Avocado. Wow, wala na. Wala nang bakante. Gusto mo yan. French fries. Yes. Wala na. Peanut butter. Wala na. Nutella. Number 10. Apple. Number 9. I don't know that. I don't like that. I don't also like that. Well,